In this video, I am going to show you how you can do makeup in a perfect way. We will start with this yogurt mockup. First of all, you have to prepare the design for the mockup, which I have already done. One for upper design and one for lower design. Let's ignore it for now, so first we will remove its background. I will use Smart Selection tool to remove background. Anyone who uses the new version of Photoshop must know how useful this tool is. To remove the background, first select the subject, then press Ctrl+J to make the selection part a new layer. The section part will be converted into a new layer. We will delete the background image because it is of no use to us right now. Now we will separate the upper part or lower part from the image. For this, we will use Pen tool. Do this process quickly, otherwise the video will be very long. Now we have selected the upper part. We will separate it. You must know what to do for it. Still, we will tell you, Ctrl+J will be done. We will rename the layer to the name of the upper layer. To separate the bottom layer, you will have to inverse the selection part. To inverse, you will have to press Ctrl+Shift+I. What will happen is that once the selected part is used, the rest of the part will be selected. We will also create a new layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Now you can see that we have separated the upper layer and lower layer. Oh, sorry, I forgot to rename the layer. Now we will group the lower layer. You will find out later why I am doing this. By working in a group, your design will remain safe, even if any changes have to be made later. Now we will select the lower layer and mask one layer above the group. Same process we will do for upper layer also. And the different designs that we created will be brought to the top of the group. Let's set the lower layer first because it is larger and more visible. After setting it, we will do clipping mask with the group and change the mood to multiply. It still doesn't seem real. It will have to be set a little more properly. So our process is complete. Now we will set the upper layer. This will not happen by doing the same process because its shape is round. That's why first we will take a circle and make clipping mask of the design in it. Now we will transform it and set it. Now our yogurt mockup is complete. How it look like? Tell me in the comments. To give it a real touch, we can add a little shadow to it. Now it has become perfect. Let's move on to the next segment. In this, we have to do a mock-up on a book. This mock-up is also similar, a little different. We have also removed the background of this, and the design in it is this, which I had made for 2 hours. Tell me in the comments how it looks like. Let's leave it for now. So first we will take a square shape and we convert it into Smart Layer. You will know later why it was converted to Smart Layer. Let's reduce its opacity a bit so we can make it easier to position it. So first let's transform it and set it. Right now I am going to show you a useful tool, but many people will not know about it. So you can see that there is a curve here, which will not be better than warping. For this, we have to use the Split Vertically tool, which is on the upper left side. To use it, we will set it. Our shape will be ready. Now we will double-click on the Smart Layer. On double-clicking, a new page will open. Now we can bring here the design that we have created. We will fit it in the page and save it as well. So this will appear on main page. Isn't it a funny thing? Now let's expand the opacity. This is how our design became. Now we will blend it to give it a little real look. To blend, you need to double-click on the outer side of your Smart Layer, which will open the blending option. You can also make the option below. You must know how to blend. If you don't know, write in the comment and I will tell you. So now we will fix the side portion. Same process will be done for this also. Now you guys guess what I am going to do. I am saying again that he will undergo the same process. If you have any confusion, then you can tell in the comment. I am always ready to tell you the solution. That's all for today. See you some other day with a new video. Bye-bye.